Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Mohammed Faizan, and in this video I'll be talking about that how we can broadcast a message to the users in an SAP system. So I'll just log into the system to show you that how we can create a message and then we can broadcast it to the users. So I have logged into the system, and now the transaction code that is used to broadcast the message is SM02, and from here we can see the create button. So we can create the message that we want to broadcast to the users. Dear users, the system will be down in 5 minutes for an save your work and exit. Thank you. And then we'll have to select the server, and here the client, the language, which is English in my case, and here the display date and the message when it will be deleted. For example, so I'll just keep this time as it is, and I say that this will be deleted at 22nd of May and 11:30. Let's check. So the message will be deleted at this time automatically, or you can also delete the message by yourself by again logging into SM02 and then selecting the message from here and delete. And if you want to edit the message, you can also edit it. I mean, if you want to change it, so it can be changed from here. So here you can see all the details that the message is created on which date, which time, when it is going to expire, and all this information. So I'll just log in again. Say now you can see whenever a new user will log in, he will get a message that the system will be down in 5 minutes for an urgent maintenance. Please save your work and exit. Thank you. So this is a very important feature that we can use to communicate with the user, or if there is any alert, or if you want to communicate any sort of system changes to the users. So SM02 is a very good transaction code to talk to your users. And similarly, like here, this is another user which was previously logged in. So if I go back, I'll just get this pop-up. So it means if any new user who logs into the system will get this pop-up, as well as any existing user that is already in any of the transaction, when he goes back, he will also receive the pop-up. Then you can select OK. And if you want to delete this message, you can go to again SM02, you select the checkbox here and click on the delete button, and you can delete this message like this. Hope this video was useful. In the next video, I'll be talking that how we can send a message to a specific user, because someone from the channel in the comments asked that if there is a way if we can directly send a message to a specific user. So I'll be talking about that in my next video. So keep watching the videos, and please subscribe to the channel if you really want to see this kind of more informative videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.